How do we create speed and accuracy in delivering data to our leadership?
My name is Scott Mallory, and I'm the President and CEO of JBI Interiors. JBI Interiors is an architectural millwork and seating and decor company. We often work under reduced timelines. We're the last trade into a project. So we're always looking for solutions that'll create efficiencies, reduce the errors that we make. That's what led us to try and find a solution for that.
We process about 40,000 plus date changes per year. Ship dates, on-site dates, manufacturing dates. Calculated, it takes about 4 or 5 minutes to do that for a person to go in and change it, send an email out. So you take 40,000 plus times 5 minutes, it's like 3,300 hours per year. That through a simple use case from a process engineer at Kognitos, they viewed that and said, I can create a solution to make that completely go away.
Implementing a process with Kognitos was really simple. Let's say that we have a document that we receive on a regular basis and we need to parse information from that. I mean, to go in there and to just, in just a couple of sentences and explain to, Kognitos AI, this is what we want to accomplish, and then to have it produce, the English that would get that done is fantastic.
The huge value add at Kognitos is the implementation team understood the human element of what AI meant and the change psychologically that was taking place in people's minds as they were trying to embrace that.
They now see that this AI integration and Kognitos as a partner is a great tool. And when we saw that the process began with mapping our processes in a detailed way where our managers could communicate exactly what the process was, and Kognitos team was able to say, hey, this can be improved. That was a real positive aspect of early interaction with Kognitos. It helps our employees work on higher level problems and solutions for those, and it's helping us to grow our business without just having to add more and more people, so we are becoming more efficient. Our long-term goals are to continue to grow this business and create an environment where our employees can grow. So we see this as accelerating our ability to grow, and we see the tools and the processes that we're improving allowing us to grow faster, which creates more opportunities for our team. I absolutely would recommend Kognitos to other companies, and I have done that.